We need to assemble the grader. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the grader. Pump. Done! Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. Let's wash the grader. Amazing! We need to assemble the dump truck. We did it! Now let's load materials into the dump truck. Ready. Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. We need to fix a crack on the dump truck. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. You're doing really great. Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. Hooray! We need to assemble the track laying machine. Ready. Let's fuel the track laying machine. Press the pump. Ready. Let's lay rails and sleepers. We need to send the train to the depot. Let's assemble the dray scene. That's all. Let's load road signs onto the dracene. Don't stop! Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. Let's wash the dracene. Don't stop! We need to assemble the railroad excavator. Amazing! Let's fuel the railroad excavator. Pump. Done! Let's dig an excavation pit for the foundation. We need to send the train to the depot. We need to assemble the concrete mixer. Hooray! Let's load the concrete mixer. Keep it up. Let's pour concrete for the foundation and make a platform. Let's send the train to the depot. Let's assemble the open wagon. Amazing! Let's load bricks for the first floor onto the open wagon. That's all. Let's build the first floor of the station. Let's wash the open wagon. Don't stop. We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Press the pump. Done! Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. We need to send the train to the depot. We need to assemble the flat car. Amazing! Let's load bricks for the second floor into the flat car. Done! Let's build the walls of the second floor. Let's wash the flat car. We did it! We need to assemble the glass transporting car. Amazing! Now let's load windows and doors into the glass transporting car. Ready. Let's install windows and doors. We need to fix a crack on the glass transporting car. Done! And now let's grind the seam. Amazing! Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the... Ready! We need to assemble the crane. Amazing! fuel the crane. Pump. That's all. Let's make a canopy and a roof. We need to send the train to the depot. We need to assemble the bucket lift. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's decorate the station building. We need to send the train to the depot. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Let's assemble the locomotive. We did it! Let's fuel the locomotive. Pump. Ready. Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. We did it! Let's assemble the dining car. We did it! Let's load furniture into the dining car. Keep it up. Let's load luggage into cars.